The current course offering over the past two years has been about intellectual property based, but it's about virtual worlds, and in particular Second Life, which is the leading, one of the leading virtual world or virtual communities online, which is our significantly social but e-commerce based communities. And the course that we created, myself, Judson Jennings, and Jack Shannon from the business school, was a combined course with the MBA program and the business program on Seton Hall University, where the business students would produce a business plan and generate a business within Second Life, and the law students would give those business students legal advice with regard to the venture that they're creating in the virtual world. So the venture had a whole series of legal issues. There's a leasing issue because of space they want to rent. There's licensing issues with regard to trademarks, copyrights. There's business method patents potentially involved in it. So every aspect of what would ordinarily be a regular business, but it's running within the microcosm of a virtual world. So they had to learn about the virtual world, no different than learning about opening up a business in Macedonia or whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's a strange world. Learn the world, write your business plan, and then go speak to your lawyer. So we connected the two campuses with video equipment, or we met in Second Life virtually, and the business students would ask the law students, hey, I need a software developer to write me code. Do I do the agreement in the world, or do I do the agreement outside the world? How do I pay them? Do I pay them in currency within the world? Do I pay them outside? How do I know that they're reliable? How do I know that they're not going to take the software and use it for somebody else? Or I want to use this trademark, or I want to play music. Am I allowed to play music? So the whole series of issues that come up, that the business students come up with, we counsel the law students on how to give them advice. So it's a skills issue, it's a practical issue, a contract issue, an IP issue, all rolled into one. And it puts the students, the law students, right in front of the business students giving advice. And it was a struggle for them, and it was great, because they struggled with, wow, I can't just think of things that maybe I would want to resolve. I have to give someone advice, which was really putting them on the spot and made them very uncomfortable, which I wanted them to go, because now they started to realize, well, geez, now I can start to hone what I really need to know. So it was very engaging for both me and them.